Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the deep end of Halloween fun with what I confidently call the best sea witch costume available this season. The Behufun Ursula costume. If you're looking to make a splash at your next Halloween party or themed event, you won't want to miss this incredible outfit. This stunning 4-piece costume set is inspired by the iconic sea witch from classic fairy tales. The ensemble includes a striking black and purple tentacle skirt that captures the essence of an enchanting oceanic villain. The fabric is breathable and soft, ensuring you feel as good as you look, whether you're dancing the night away or casting spells. But that's not all. This costume set comes complete with eye-catching accessories, a stylish necklace, matching earrings, and a glamorous crown that will have you feeling like the queen of the sea. Each piece is designed to enhance your overall look, making sure you stand out at any event. The design of the costume is not just for show. The vibrant combination of black and purple is attention-grabbing, perfectly embodying the powerful and mystical aura of a sea witch. With its unique 3D tentacle design, this outfit is sure to spark conversations and turn heads. Now, let's talk about comfort. This costume is crafted from high-quality materials that offer excellent elasticity. You won't have to worry about feeling restricted or uncomfortable as you celebrate. Plus, it's available in a variety of sizes from small to extra large, making it a great fit for most women. Whether you're attending a Halloween bash, participating in a cosplay event, or simply enjoying a spooky night out with friends, the Behufun Ursula costume is versatile enough to fit any occasion. It allows for some creativity too. Feel free to pair it with your favorite top for a customized look that reflects your style. So, if you're ready to embrace your inner sea witch this Halloween, look no further than the Behufun Ursula costume. This set combines style, comfort, and a touch of magic that's perfect for making unforgettable memories. Don't miss out on this chance to be the talk of the party. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product insights, and share your favorite Halloween costume ideas in the comments below. Happy haunting, and see you next time.